Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, we definitely pushed down very hard, mostly because of the dollar weakness and the Swiss strength that we've been having. I still think this could be a W, this could be an X, and we could be in a wave Y right now. And so this could be like an A, B, and then push up for a C, and then take out these highs before we make the bigger move to the downside. So we potentially could be in a wave C right now. So we definitely want to keep an eye on our Fibonacci levels, especially on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, there's definitely no reason to think it's going up yet, and it definitely could end up making a pullback and then just breaking down. The thing that's going to turn me back into a buyer is seeing a pullback, then seeing it go down in respect to 78% again, then a break of structure. That's what's going to tell me that this potential five-wave trend that we are currently in for the wave C is complete, is seeing a double bottom at a Fibonacci level and a break of structure. If I don't see this picture right here, then I would just continue to look for shorts every single chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.